For our generation, we are in unprecedented times. We have gone from going 90 miles an hour and then without much notice being quarantined and sheltering at home. This has caused a huge challenge to our emotional stability. We've gone from trying to manage our stress from being busy, to now trying to manage our stress because we have to be still. Some of our community may be struggling with sheltering at home and feeling very isolated, while others are at home but struggling with 24/7 an overabundance of family time. For those parents that are feeling overloaded, welcome to Parental Olympics, and I salute you. So today, to help you, I would like to share some activities that can help you and your children to continue to grow and flourish. I'm Lori Friesen. Welcome to Living Well Up Here. In my opinion, being a parent is the most important job we could have in the entire world. And I believe it is the most difficult job. It requires patience. It requires giving of yourself. It requires wisdom. It requires resources. And when you have given everything that you have, sometimes parenting requires that you give even more. So I have some tips to help you parents as you're learning to up the game here with your kids being home 24/7. So the first thing I'd like to suggest is that you create a routine for your children. Children do so much better with a routine. If you've noticed at the schoolyard when the bell rings at the end of recess, there's really rarely there's no children really that are having meltdowns. So they're just used to expecting certain things at certain times, and that will help you in your home to have more peace. Now, when you're planning the routine, it is important that everybody has some say and some choice in the routine. So you could suggest things like, okay, kids, do you want to do your schoolwork in the morning or do you want to do it in the afternoon? Or you could suggest things like for lunch, a couple of choices that are healthy, like do you want a turkey sandwich or a tuna sandwich? Now, if we just leave it completely up to our kids, what they want to choose, they may choose playing video games till 4 in the morning. Now, that's why our children aren't quite able to have their own apartment yet. The other thing I want to recommend is to really practice emulating what and how you would like your child to behave. And remember that your child is always watching and emulating you. And thirdly, let's not forget that, it's fun being a kid. And if we can lean in and join in with our kids, we can have some fun. So today, I have a video that I think is going to be really fun. So call the kids in. And this video is 10 things you can do when you're stuck at home. It was written and performed by kids and for kids. So enjoy.
Write a song, grab any or all instruments. Just collaborate.
We're stuck in the house, stuck in the house, stuck in the house all day.
You could also build a fort. It doesn't have to be big or small.
I'm so bored. Do you want to build a fort? Yeah, let's go. Don't try this at home.
I love to go on nature walks. You never know what you're going to find. I like to find hearts in nature.
Where
Hey guys, I have an idea.
Wait, what?
What about these extra math worksheets I just printed out?
Mom!
That can't make the list?
No, it's homework! Why would I?
Act out your favorite movie scene. I love Poppy and Branch and Troll to Troll.
Make the big question. I'm Poppy, and this is... Do I have to be here? Anyway, today's big question. Early bird or night owl? Oh, I really wish there was a third option bird. I'll say albatross. Party winner for pigeon. Poppy, you have to think about taking this seriously. You should stop taking the fun out of everything. I don't do that. Really? Dance break! Wait! Clear the area! Scout for potential tripping hazard! Make a path for non-hit trolls to pass! Do we have enough liquid in the area for hydration?
You can use Duolingo to learn a new language. We decided to learn German.
Olivia, wie heißt du? Ich heiße Lauren. Wie geht es dir? Mir geht es sehr gut. Auf Wiedersehen. Bis bald.
Invent something useful. We invented a pulley that we use to get snacks.
Hey guys,
Oh no, not again.
I have another idea.
What is it?
What if we organized our closet?
Moving on to arts and crafts. Anyway, I love painting. I think I'm gonna draw a big boat with a shark under it, and and it has sheep in the boat with for some weird reason a kangaroo swimming in the pool that I forgot to mention the ship has.
I can't stop laughing. So are you gonna draw it?
Yeah. Hey, draw the thing! My sister to see my lovely product. Come on out, Lauren.
Whoa.
Get creative in the kitchen.
Yeah, like find all the sweets in your kitchen and eat them.
Hey guys,
Oh.
I have another idea. How about you ask your mom if you can have some extra chores?
Why would we want that?
Wow, that was really fun for me just watching. So parents, if you would like some more information and some more support, please look up the website loveandlogic.com. And if you would like more information about healthy living, please subscribe, ask a question, or make a comment below. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, be well. Bye.